The Analytics Consulting course is designed to be the capstone for the entire business analytics and artificial intelligence program. It brings together all the different aspects of the curriculum and creates a challenge of applying that in a real-world situation. Students need to think critically, deal with large sets of data, manage their way through critical management questions, and present their ideas in a way that makes real impact.
What surprised me the most is the realism and also the intensity the course recreated for us. We had really strict deadlines. We also had to consult with industry experts. Everything was just like it is in the real world.
One of the things that really makes this course stand out is that this course is taught by 3 different faculty members. And so each student is having the opportunity to interact with expertise in different domains in one course and really working together to create great business outcomes.
The experience is not like any class I've ever taken before. I think this course definitely prepared me for my career.